Hello, everyone. Welcome today. On Saturday, December the 19th, 2020, we have here an additional 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. We have Tectonic and number 1, Tectonic and number 2, Binary and number 1, and a binary and number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will do. Those are the Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars. I will do 1 tectonic and 1 binary. So 4 Sudokus I will solve. I won't do them all too much, time consuming, and takes a lot of time for uploading. So let's go to the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 2037. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 will be equal to 18, plus 2 is 20, 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. All right. So let's get started. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. Here 5. No 5 there. The only place for a 5 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 and a 7. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the middle, a row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for 9 should be there. Then. How about the number? We have a pair. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. The same with the 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, the 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle, a row, so the row above. Only place for a 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 9. 139. No. 139. 4 missing numbers. 139, and the 8 is missing. 139 and the 8. Well, we see here 139, so no 139 in this box. So only 1 digit left, should be the 8. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, the 3, and the 8 are missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 3 and 8. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for a 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet, need to mark those numbers. How about these 2 numbers in the last column? 1, 2, the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those. It's a pair, 3 and the 9. And then 3 and the 9. The 9. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9. Here or there, we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 4, 1, 2. Alright. 3, 8, 1. Yes, in this column, the third column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for 1 should be there. Now 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 8. In this third column, we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in the last row. The 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And no. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for a 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, alright. Let me see. These 2 numbers in the first row, the 2 and the 5 are missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this is going to be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, all right. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so on the row between. The only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4. All right. Then how about the 1 in this row, 1 in the second row? So on the third row, only place for a 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 5. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes exactly. Yes. All right, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a few seconds. So see you then. Bye bye for now.